Choosing an engagement ring or wedding band is one of the most meaningful decisions you'll ever make. These rings aren't just jewelry. They're lifelong symbols of love, commitment, and your unique story together. With something this important, the last thing you want is a rushed, impersonal online experience. That's why more couples are choosing to shop locally for engagement and wedding rings in Arcadia, CA, where they can find personalized service, expert craftsmanship, and rings as one-of-a-kind as their love. If you've been Googling jewelry near me, looking for the best jewelry stores in Arcadia, or even wondering about the nearest jewelry experts who truly care, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through everything you need to know: design styles, ring shopping tips, repair options, and why Dorano Jewelry is Arcadia's trusted destination for couples ready to say forever. Why choosing the right engagement ring matters. An engagement ring isn't just a sparkly accessory. It's a symbol of your partner's personality, your relationship journey, and the promise of a shared future. Whether you're going classic with a solitaire diamond or bold with a custom-designed halo ring, your choice reflects your story. And let's not forget the wedding bands, the pieces you'll wear every day. From timeless gold to unique mixed metals or diamond-studded bands, the perfect wedding ring should be a seamless blend of personal style and lasting durability. Why you should shop locally for wedding and engagement. Rings in Arcadia. You might be tempted by big box retailers or online deals, but when it comes to buying something this personal, shopping local is a smart and sentimental move. 1. See before you say yes. Photos don't always tell the full story. Visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia gives you the chance to see the sparkle, examine the setting, feel the weight, and know exactly what you're getting. A diamond's brilliance is best seen under natural light and in person, not through a screen. 2. Work with experts, not algorithms. When you shop in person, you benefit from real, face-to-face advice. Whether you need help understanding the 4 C's, cut, color, clarity, and carat, or selecting the best metal for everyday wear, local jewelers guide you through the process. You're not just another online order, you're a couple starting your forever. 3. Custom options and competitive pricing. Many local jewelry stores offer custom design services that online shops can't match. Whether you want to incorporate heirloom stones, engrave a message, or create a brand new design, you'll have flexibility. And here's a little secret. In-store purchases often give you room to negotiate, a luxury you rarely get online. Where to buy jewelry in Arcadia. When searching for the best jewelry in Arcadia, you're not just looking for a shop. You're looking for a trusted partner in one of life's biggest milestones. That's why so many couples turn to Dorano Jewelry, known for its exceptional service, fine craftsmanship, and luxurious yet approachable atmosphere. If you've ever typed in "jewelry near me" or "nearest jewelry store" and felt overwhelmed, the key is to find a jeweler who listens, understands, and offers both ready-made and custom options to suit your taste and budget. Understanding styles. What's trending for engagement and wedding rings? Whether you're classic, romantic, modern, or minimalist, there's a ring style out there for you. Some of the most popular trends in Arcadia jewelry stores today include classic solitaire, a timeless single diamond ring set in yellow or white gold, always elegant. Halo settings, smaller diamonds encircle the center stone for extra sparkle and visual size. 3-stone rings, symbolizing past, present, and future, this design carries deeper meaning. Nature-inspired designs. Floral motifs, vines, and leaf engravings offer a whimsical, organic touch. Custom rings, for couples who want to stand out, custom-designed rings allow full creative freedom. Many local jewelry stores in Arcadia specialize in personalized pieces using ethically sourced diamonds and gemstones. Don't forget about ring resizing and maintenance. Even the most perfect ring needs upkeep. Over time, fingers change size, prongs loosen, and metals develop wear. That's why having access to reliable jewelry repair around me is so important. If you've already received or inherited a ring that needs a little love, finding a skilled Arcadia jewelry repair shop can restore it to its original brilliance. Or even better. From simple resizing to stone resetting or full refurbishments, a local jeweler you trust is key. Your ring deserves a lifelong partner. Choose Dorano Jewelry. When it comes to engagement and wedding rings in Arcadia, CA, few names carry the same prestige and trust as Dorano Jewelry. Located in the heart of Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry has been helping couples find or design the perfect rings for decades. Whether you're ready to pop the question or are preparing for your wedding day, here's why Dorano stands out. Expert guidance every step of the way. From choosing your diamond to customizing your band, you'll work with knowledgeable professionals who truly care about your vision. Custom designs that tell your story. Want something one of a kind? Our master jewelers bring your ideas to life, right here in Arcadia. Trusted jewelry repairs and ring resizing. We're also your go-to Arcadia jewelry repair experts. From cleaning and polishing to fixing loose settings, we ensure your rings stay as brilliant as your love. A local name you can rely on. Skip the guesswork and shop in person. When you're searching for jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me, Dorano Jewelry is just around the corner, ready to exceed your expectations. Forever starts here. Visit Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia. Your engagement ring and wedding bands are more than just accessories. They're emotional investments and symbols of your deepest connection. Don't leave such an important choice to chance or a website thumbnail. Instead, visit Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia, a place where craftsmanship, care, and community come together. Whether you're shopping, customizing, or repairing your rings, we're honored to be a part of your love story. Book your in-store consultation today and let us help you find or create the perfect ring that will last a lifetime.